Let's now walk through two examples of converting a point from polar to rectangular coordinates. These are the two equations that we'll need to use. Our first example is the point 4 pi over 6. R is equal to 4, and our theta is equal to pi over 6. We want to write this point in terms of x and y. Our x is r cosine theta, so that's equal to 4 times cosine pi over 6. This gives us 4, and the cosine of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. So our x is equal to 2 root 3. Y is equal to r sine theta. This is equal to 4 sine pi over 6. So we have a 4, and then sine pi over 6 is 1/2. So this gives us a y value of 2. Our point in rectangular coordinates is 2 root 3, comma 2. The second example that we'll look at is the point root 2 minus pi over 4. R is equal to root 2, and our theta is equal to minus pi over 4. X is equal to r cosine theta, which is root 2 times cosine minus pi over 4. This then becomes root 2 minus pi over 4 is in the fourth quadrant, so the cosine of minus pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, which simplifies to 1. Y is equal to r sine theta. This is equal to root 2 times sine minus pi over 4. The sine of minus pi over 4 is minus root 2 over 2. So we have root 2 times minus root 2 over 2, which gives us a value of minus 1. Our point in rectangular coordinates is equal to 1 minus 1.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.